Let's talk a bit about sorting data in Excel. So I've opened my workbook. I am in the sheet that is called test. In order for us to start sorting our data, we can do things like if we highlight column A under video title. So just some background on the sheet. Video title, those are my videos I have worked on so far for my channel. Or at least some of the videos. These are the supposed dates that I have uploaded them, but these are just made up dates so that we all. So I wanted to show you what we do with this later on, and these are my so-called subscribers. So it was, for example, on this day, the 15th of March, I gained 10 subscribers, and then over here, I lost one. So it's just like that. But I want to show you what we do with sorting data. So with column A, because it's more text, we can just go easily over here on the ribbon under the Home tab. We can sort A to Z. Now, it's going to give you this pop-up here. And that is because you've got 3 columns with data in that Excel thinks are related. But which technically it's related, right? So, but for the purpose of this video, we don't want to select, we don't want to select, expand the selection, which means it's gonna automatically sort it for you for all 3 of these columns. We just want to use that column, okay? So we're gonna do continue with current selection. So sort, and as you can see, it's sorted from the first letter of the alphabet according to the video titles to the last one. B for basic formatting, and then W for welcome to my channel. We can also do descending order, and that will be under the sort A to Z. We can sort Z to A. Same thing, it's going to pop up and ask you, and you just sort. Then we want to sort out, say, the daily subscribers. Same thing, go to A to Z. You click on it, it's going to ask you the same question, and it's going to sort A to Z for you, but in number form, which means you are going to be selecting from the smallest to the largest. So the smallest is -14 or -14, and the largest would be 47. Same thing goes. You highlight the column if you want to have the biggest number first. So you can say largest to smallest. Okay. Same thing. 47 here and 14 over here. Then we can also do, we just go back here. I just find it easier doing this way. We highlight date, and we can also sort this from oldest to newest. Same thing here. The once you click on it, this will kind of change. So you can say oldest to newest, which means the oldest date, which was the 1st of March, and the earliest is the 31st of March. Let's sort this out. Sort newest to oldest. Same thing, 31st of March. You can say the latest. And then the oldest was the 1st of March. If I go straight down to row 12, and we go back here, just go back. And I like putting them back where it's supposed to be, okay? It just makes it easier for me to explain. And then we can use things like custom sorting. So what we can do is if we take column A under my video titles and we go to the same home tab in the ribbon, we go down this little thing here and we use these two, right? From A to Z, and then we use from Z to A. We can say click on custom sort, and we just continue with this one, and it's going to give you 3 options here. So now ask you sort by video title, which we want. And it's going to ask us sort by either cell value, cell color, font color, conditional formatting icon. We want to sort by cell values, and that is what that basically means is whatever's inside of the cell. So with the video title, I've got video titles inside of my cells. The same with dates, I've got dates, that is my cell values. And for this, you can you can see what order you want this column to be in. So we go either A to Z or Z to A. So let's do A to Z. And that is how you can sort it as well. Now we go back and then we use things like filtering data in Excel. So say I want to filter this. So what I'm going to do is highlight it. I'm going to go back to this little box here. Okay. And then we used A to Z, we use Z to A, we saw where custom sort is. We are going to go back to this just now. We go to filter and look there, it gives you a little drop down box. Click on it. It's going to give you all the lovely goodies on what you can do with this. Okay. Let's go to, say for instance, I want to search. I want to filter that column by only using the word Excel. So everything that has Excel in its title, I will put it as Excel. And there we go. I've got 3 video titles. Excel files, Excel shortcuts, master the Excel ribbon, and we click OK. And voila, we've got the 3 titles here. Including the dates and the daily subscribers, either gained or lost. All right. So we just go back here. And then obviously there's many other things you can do in this. So you can search, even if you don't want to select it, you can take from this and just select the one you want that to show. So that's also possible. And then what we can do is the one thing I like about the sorting and filtering, you can search within color or filter by color. So as you can see here, I've got different shades of green, okay? And it's all mixed up. What I want to do is I want to sort the colors by the lightest of the shade. So light green, completely green here, and then to a very dark green over here at the bottom. These columns here, columns A, B, and C. That's all the data I need. And I am going to go to the Data tab, click Filter, and I am going to sort by color, and I'm going to say Custom Sort. And this little box is going to pop up like earlier, like I showed you earlier, right? And we are going to say Sort by Video Title, Video Title, Cell Color, and the color changes. And the cell color you want to choose is the lightest one for now. On top, you'll see Add Level, which means we want all the colors in order. So, or at least in order we want. So we're going to say, we're still going to go with video title. We're still going to go with cell color. And we're going to go to the darker shade. We're going to add another level, video title, cell color, and that shade. Add another level, video title, cell color, and the darkest shade. Now we click OK. And look there. From light a little bit darker, the darkest, in color order or in shade order. So now you know how to sort and filter data like a pro. Try these tricks in your own spreadsheets and see how much easier it makes your work. Let me know in the comments which feature you use the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Excel tips. See you in the next video.